Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys face lock data delete setting. How to delete face lock data in Redmi mobile. So friends, you don't want to use Redmi mobile face lock data, you want to delete face lock data. So friends, now let's see how to delete face lock data. One by one we will talk about. So first of all guys, unlock your device. You have face lock, show your face, enter your password. After enter password, you don't want to unlock Redmi mobile with face lock data, you want to delete Redmi mobile face lock data. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your device password and security setting, and after turn on my phone password and security setting, you want to add fingerprint lock. So friends, tap on fingerprint lock setting. You want to use fingerprint lock setting, enter your password. After enter password friends, you can use fingerprint lock setting touch and remove on your fingerprint sensor. You can add fingerprint lock. So friends, you don't want to use face lock, click here face unlock setting, enter your password. After enter password, you can check your face lock data. So friends, I have two face lock. Friends, you have one face lock and you want to delete one face lock, and you want to use one face lock. In Redmi mobile, select your face lock data, face lock 1 and face lock 2. So friends, I will delete my face lock 1 data. Delete face data now. Attention notification, OK option, face lock data will delete. And friends, you want to rename your face lock data, so you can rename your face lock data also. Right click here, face lock data will rename. If you click here add face data option, so friends, you want to use two face lock, so enter your password and you can add one more face lock in Redmi mobile. And friends, you can use two face lock in Redmi mobile. After 5 seconds friends, click here next option, show your face. You can add one more face lock, you can use two face lock in Redmi mobile. Friends, you have face lock, and if you click your lock screen password setting, you want to change your face lock password, your lock screen password, you can select your new password type and you can change. Friends, if you click here turn off screen lock setting, so friends, you can check this notification. After you turn off your lock screen password, your fingerprint and your face lock data will be deleted automatic. OK option, friends, you can check. If you turn off your lock screen password, face lock will delete automatic. Again, you want to use face lock, first you will have to set lock screen password, then you can start again face lock in Redmi mobile and you can use it. If you click here fingerprint lock setting, so friends, you can use fingerprint lock setting. First you will have to set your lock screen password, then you can add your fingerprint. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.